Okay, so let me explain. I fell off the edge of the world. Seriously though, I went through some serious exams and they're finally over. And thank you so much for 1000 subscribers. And to celebrate, I'm going to turn my first 3D game into a commercial game.
On the track, boy.
My first 3D game was PP Factory. I had a lot of fun making it. And the main reason for remaking this game is because everyone else loved it too. People streamed it as well, and it was the best feeling ever, so I want to bring that back. When I first booted up the game, I quickly noticed a major flaw. It is the main menu and its music. It's absolutely goddamn terrible. Next up were the sprites. They were boring. I really didn't put any time into making those sprites, and they just looked boring and wouldn't fit a commercial game. Next up, the player movement speed was absolutely really slow, and I'm intending this to be a Doom-like FPS, and it was not even close. And the enemies were shorter than the player, which doesn't even make sense. There weren't enough juice, no particles, and the game felt dead. Well, I did some mining off camera, and this is what it is now. The most notable change was the lighting, and I think it speaks for itself. It made the game a lot more lively and created a sense of fear in whoever played it.
What is happening?
I won't go into detail about the changes, because this is just a video to catch up with everything and let you know that I'm still alive. I'm going to make a video on implementing new things soon, and it will be more of a full devlog. Moving on, I revamped the sprites and made them more detailed. This helped a lot in making the game more expressive. Then I made a new music track for the game, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I wanted to stay true to the in-your-face soundtracks from the Doom games. That's gonna be for this video. I'm sorry it's not a long video. I will make a proper devlog real soon. I also sorta recreated Pico 8 inside of Godot, so if you wanna see that, subscribe. I'm looking forward to working on PP Factory and getting this game done. And I want to address a small problem before I do finish the video. I've wanted to start a Kickstarter for this project for a while, but I ran into the roadblock of no crowdfunding website is available in my country. If you have any suggestions on what I can do, so please do let me know in the comments. That being said, till the next one, bye.
When I pull up on a bounty, man, I get that cash. Drip down to the socks, spin the song jet black, and me and yo, we going way back. Like it's vicious and it's spring, you know we always stay strapped. Ayy, and we ain't falling to the ground. MC virgins in the game, man, we always stick around. Call me prophet when I hop up on the track, man, I ain't down. And I told you from the start that maybe fate would be my spouse. Ayy,
Wanna go up in the toilet, hop in the bed, destroy it, make it a hit, and then I'ma go boil it. I'ma go get up and find it.